a very warm welcome to the highlights of Match 2 of HBL PSL 6 between Lahore Qalandars and Peshawar Zalmi at the National Stadium in Karachi.
Edge and gone. First ball dismissal. Shine Shah Afridi. He's a terrific bowler and he's got that angle away from the left-hander. Beautiful shot through the offside for 4. First runs off the bat, a cracking shot through the offside. There's that slash over the infield for 4. Couple of bounces into the fence. Flicked up in the air and gone. There's a fielder stationed. Oh, gone, I think, caught behind. First ball dismissal. Not the first one really to bite the dust.
What a shot. Beautiful looking shot. Little bit shorter, still tall on top of the ball. Beautifully past mid-off. Beautiful shot. Over pitch, driven, boundary. Nicked out. Big wicket again for the Qalandars. Visa into the attack.
Slower ball swung high and hard. And a big 6, HBL 6 for Shafane Rutherford. High in the air, this one straight over the top of the keeper though, is it? Third man, and a fine leg in fact, for 6 all the way.
Another Yorker, it's a chip, this should be taken at long on, should be taken. Beautifully done by Shaheen Afridi. It's a slow ball, that's up in the air, should be another scalp for Shaheen Afridi. The catching has been very good from Lahore Qalandars. So much of activity for a couple of runs, that's gone up in the air. Long on is just a mere spectator. What a lift over long on for a 6. Great finish to the innings.
I was talking, perhaps not. That's a boundary.
There you go. You can't keep him quiet for long.
That's gone up in the air. It's skied into the safe hands of Shoaib Malik. Mujibur Rahman strikes. He's walked in there with a wicket down, probably 2 wickets now. That's a sky. That really is a toughie. It really is a toughie and magnificently held. What a catch that is. Bowling played on. Ahmad Butt gives his team a breakthrough.
To the cricket, speaking of transition of weight. Yeah, just sit and wait for that one, the man at deep backward square, because that's gone all the way. HBL 6. Hey, there it is, a little bit of reverse. Wahab strikes the skipper. He's just breathing a little bit of life back.
Oh, bowling! And it happened finally for Saqib. Seriously good delivery at pace, reversing the ball and hitting the bullseye. Oh, hit him on the pads. Is it going to hit the leg stump? Not.
Swings that away for 6. Does Rashid to win the game for the Qalandars. Brilliant shot. And last season's beaten finalists start their campaign off in 2021 with a very, very good victory.